guys, and welcome back to my channel. So before I get started, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I upload. So this video, if you read the title, is going to be about my Ancestry.com results. They're typical results, nothing out there. I'm not Blasian or Mexican or mixed with some other crazy things. My results just pretty told me I was black. Like, I'm dark skinned. I don't know if y'all could tell by like true color. Maybe when if you ever see me in person, or if you've ever seen me in person, I am pretty dark. But my dad is actually darker than I am. So my mom actually lightened me up a little bit. But for the most part, I am dark. So, but I'll just go ahead and show the results with you guys in case anybody cares. So before I read them, this is the map of where I am from. All that color that you see is in Africa, and then in the right corner by this finger is North Carolina, where I already knew my family was from. So the first thing that it tells me I am majority of is 26% Nigerian. I am 18% Ivory Coast, Ghana, and I am 15% Cameroon, Congo. I am 10% Benin, Togo, 9% Mali, 8% Senegal. And going deeper, it did let me know I do have 5% of Yoruba West, 3% of Ivory South Central Hunters and Gatherers, 2% Africa, Southeastern Bantu, and then less than 1% Scandinavian, Polynesian, African North, and Native American. And it also just lets me know that my family is from North Carolina, northern area, and eastern North Carolina. But that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this quick video of just getting to know what I have inside me, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more videos by me, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.